What is up, guys? I'm back on this trimaran. I've just put this layer of fiber down here, so that's drying nice under the lamps here. And while that's drying, I've been working on these here. Cut a couple of supports out of some scrap Kusa board and some templates for the center and port side supports. We're going to use the old railing here for support, and also this cutout, the toe that we cut out here as support as well. You know, for the sake of going green, I guess, right? And so I've just been working on that stuff. These pieces, these templates, I'm actually going to cut out of this sheet once that's all dry. We're going to have, I've got this whole front deck, and then I'll be able to cut this, and then we'll have one piece. We're putting like a deflector up in the front to kind of give it a little bit of a wave resistant attitude in the front. So just want to do an update. If you made it this far, you made it pretty far. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. You'll get notification for this and other jobs as we move along. Appreciate you tuning in. Thanks a lot.